Take a look at this video captured in Houston, TX, which shows a porch pirate in the dead of night. The thief is seen sneaking around the front porch and making off with stolen items. This Ring footage, a man in a hoodie is seen attempting to steal the camera using a knife, but he fails to do so. His face is visible in the footage, which can be used as evidence against him. On December 16th, 2022, this video was recorded showing two people illegally trespassing and vandalizing a building with graffiti. In this creepy Ring doorbell camera footage, a shirtless man can be seen trying to break into a house at 4:38 a.m.
How are we doing, folks? This is Amin. Today we are looking at some new scary videos that are starting to spook the internet. If you are new to the channel and you like my content, hit that subscribe button and get ready for more freaky videos. Without further ado, let's get started.
This Ring footage, a man in a hoodie is seen attempting to steal the camera using a knife, but he fails to do so. His face is visible in the footage, which can be used as evidence against him. He will have to face the consequences of his actions and pay the price for his attempted theft. On December 16th, 2022, this video was recorded showing two people illegally trespassing and vandalizing a building with graffiti. In this creepy Ring doorbell camera footage, a shirtless man can be seen trying to break into a house at 4:38 a.m. After seemingly giving up, he tries again before the video suddenly ends.
The door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
If you were in this situation, what would be your course of action after watching this on your Ring doorbell footage? In this footage from Philadelphia, you can see a SWAT team trying to get into a home where a woman has barricaded herself in with a knife. It's not clear whose home it is, but the homeowner and their child had to escape through a window before the SWAT team arrived. The clip ends suddenly, but it's good that the woman was caught. In this video, you can see a guy attempting to steal a Ring doorbell camera. It's pretty comical how he tries to hide his face using a birthday card, but he didn't succeed in stealing the camera. In this strange video, the thief is caught on camera stealing a package from the front porch and making off with it. However, after taking a peek inside, he decides he's not interested and sets it back down. It's unclear what his motive was, but it's clear he wasn't very interested in the contents of the package. Take a look at this video captured in Houston, TX, which shows a porch pirate in the dead of night. The thief is seen sneaking around the front porch and making off with stolen items. It's a chilling reminder to always keep an eye on your property. Jason Sawyer witnessed his house getting destroyed by a terrible tornado, and he wasn't able to do anything to stop it. It's a really unfortunate situation for him. Hopefully, he's been able to find a new home, or will find one soon. Have you seen this doorbell footage from Austin? It's quite bizarre. A lady is doing some pretty weird stuff. You should take a look at it.
I really idiots. I just see it. I don't know what the hell you can do.
Hello?
Okay, hi. I read the words out of the Can I come in?
You can't come in.
Please, I mean, I come in, but okay. I'm responsible. I'm really okay. I'm just freezing outside for a little bit though. But I haven't moved. Alright, I was gonna freezing cameras. But anyways, y'all have a good night. See you later, and bye.
I'm curious, how would you react if you saw this happening at your doorstep? Imagine looking at your Ring camera and seeing a creepy clown waving and banging on your camera. You might think this was from the 2016 clown craze, but in fact, the video was captured in 2021. It seems that clowns are making a comeback. What do you think? The Ring camera footage captured a devastating event in the neighborhood as a house exploded, leaving everyone stunned. Fortunately, there were no injuries reported, but the explosion has left 4 families without a home. This adorable cat was lounging around like most cats do, when all of a sudden it was hit with the surprise of a lifetime. The cat was visibly confused during the earthquake, unsure of what was happening. If I were the owner, I would let the cat inside quickly after experiencing something like that. Can you imagine checking your Ring footage only to find a bobcat roaming around in your backyard? It's a good thing you weren't outside to encounter it in person, but this is a reminder to keep your pets safe and indoors. What would you do in this situation? Check out this video of a strange person trying to open the front door of a stranger's house, which was recorded by their Ring doorbell camera.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you.
A subscriber submitted 2 clips in which a man comes to the door claiming to have a package and looking for someone who doesn't live there, even though the subscriber has lived there for 6 years. As the situation escalates, the man tries to enter the home. Although the subscriber no longer sees the strange man, the attempted intrusion left him feeling uneasy, and understandably so. What would you do in this situation? A video from Newark. NJ caught an eerie intruder in someone's yard, as captured by the Ring doorbell. This video clip was captured by a Ring camera in Beverly Hills, and it shows a man in a hoodie carrying a crowbar, attempting to break into someone's home. Thankfully, he was not able to succeed in his attempt. However, unlike the previous man, he had his face completely covered, which makes it highly unlikely for him to be identified.
Look guys, I'm going to repeat it. Never open the door, even if it's during the day. The safest option is to hide. Even the people you don't know could have bad intentions. These people don't even need to be in your house. If you open the door, they could do something to you, right at your doorstep. So lock your doors, hide your keys, and hide if you hear knocking. Pretending no one is home will prevent any bad intentions they have.